Welding 360 here with another how-to welding video. This piece of metal, I got cut off camera. I didn't make a clip of me cutting it or anything, but that piece of metal has to go right there to fill in so you can't see this fan part. And I gotta fill this side with metal also, which they'll be further down the line in the video. This side I'm not worrying about, but that side, this piece is already cut, which has to go right through there, as you can see. That will be welded. I'll have to drill holes into it and tack it. So next clip will show that being tack welded on. Welding 360 here, I'm back. I just got that welded, that piece of metal welded. I'm not touching it. I just got done tacking it. It's hot. And I also filled in some holes. There's burnt marks right there because I filled in some holes there. See, yeah, it makes it look a little bit better. And then I gotta paint it. Not yet. I'll get all the metal work done and then we'll paint it. Next, I gotta put a piece of metal along here. A piece of metal that goes along here. So next clip, that will be welded in. Welding 360 here, I'm back. I just got this tack welded. Right there, yeah. It's tack welded. Or I kind of basically welded the whole thing. Well, and then next will be another piece that goes on top over there. I gotta figure that out yet. Next clip will probably show that welded. That top piece of the metal welded. And hopefully all back together. Hopefully I'm done welding. I don't know. But we'll see. Welding 360 here. I'm back. I just got done welding this piece now, so now air can get through that or this side. I don't know. And then now I'm gonna try to get this a little bit better. I'm try to cover this up with a piece of metal so you don't see the fan. Well, the next clip will probably show that being welded. Well, it will show it being welded. So I got the piece cut out. Alright. Welding 360 here. I just got done welding that last piece for the fan. So next clip will show it all put back together again. Welding 360 here. Got finished putting it back together. It's all together now. Back together again. Probably won't be for the last time because still got to figure out what colors you guys want me to paint it. No neon and no pink or purple. Right, put down in the comments what color you want me to paint it other than those colors that I just said. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell your friends. Welding 360 out.